Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and as expected, we got a range-bound market, sideways market on Friday. Market failed to cross the crucial level or resistance of 57, the red line here, and we saw that throughout the day market was just trying to go up, but it failed repeatedly and ultimately closed around 3643, 3645 area. And this is the current market condition. So if we look at a chart like this, then obviously the story is very much clear to us that this is a sideways market. And in a sideways market, what do? The simple trading strategy is buy at support or sell at resistance. If your levels are good, then you can make money in a sideways market. But mostly people lose money in sideways market. Why? What is the reason? The reason is that we fail to wait. We enter on the middle of the chart, as a result of which we get trapped. Okay, so if you do not want to trap yourself, okay, in a bad chart, a bad trade, then it's better for you to wait, because we can clearly see that gold is undoubtedly bullish. The market sentiment is bullish. There is no doubt about it. Okay, but if we look at the chart, then obviously the chart is sideways. Then obviously we need to stick to the levels if you are a day trader. And if you're a swing trader, if you have a buy on gold, you can hold your buy position because gold overall trend is bullish. But if you're a day trader, then obviously the market is sideways for you and you need to plan your trades accordingly. And this is the hourly chart. You can see that on the hourly chart also the story is quite clear. Overall chart is bullish, but the recent candles are not very much bullish. Okay, they are sideways, they are trading in a range. But if we look at the daily chart, then we have a catch. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and obviously the market is bullish, there is no doubt about it. But if we just focus here, then we can see that we have a bullish flag kind of a pattern. Not precisely, but we have a bullish flag kind of a pattern. Now there is a complication. Listen to me carefully. Now see, for gold to go up again, okay, it means that gold will be going above 3700, isn't it? But gold to fly above 3700, we need some solid fundamental reason. Without any solid fundamental reason, chances are very rare that gold will be going above 3700. And obviously, if we look at the chart from a technical point of view, we can also see that gold is right now standing at a swing high. Okay, swing high, which is not a very healthy thing. So if you're a swing trader or positional trader planning to take a buy position here, then obviously you can clearly see that this is not the ideal position, because no market goes up in a straight line, no market goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern, and right now gold is trading here. So you need to wait for gold to come down. So personally, I feel that there is a possibility of a correction. I'm not talking about trend reversal here, okay, but I feel that there is a possibility of a correction for 2 to 3 days, so that gold can come down a little. If it does, then we can expect some support around 3550, 3500, like that. But yes, a correction is due on the chart of gold, because though we have a bull flag kind of a pattern, but we need a solid fundamental reason to gold to fly above 3700. Chances are very less. And one more thing that I have observed here is that on the option chain data, the number of puts are also very negligible. Okay, usually we have big numbers like 5,000, 7,000, okay, contracts around these numbers, but you can really see the number of contracts are also not very significant. So there is a possibility that, okay, next week we may see a correction. Okay, correction for 2 to 3 days. The reason is gold is trading at such a level, okay, which is not very healthy. So it must come down for proper demand and supply. But still, you guys, please stay in touch with the news. Any news from White House or any news from Middle East will make gold fly again, because gold is very much sensitive to news. We know it very well. So stay in touch with the news, because if any global crisis will make gold fly again. But without news, chances are very less that gold will be going up from here. At first, it should come down for correction. Now, let's discuss the trading opportunity. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable Forex trading broker to open your trading account, then you can consider opening an account with Vantage or Star Trader. Both are tier 1 licensed broker, safety wise top-notch broker, and perfect for your hard-earned money. Okay, and both have various facilities. Okay, they also have many features. Okay, you can go through my website, you'll find all the details. And once you're done with the account opening and the deposit, you can just WhatsApp here. Okay, the rest will be taken care of. So the link will be in the description. Bye bye. As always, the market opening is going to play a major role here. If we see a normal market opening where there is not much volume, we can expect the market to remain like this only. Okay, and as the overall trend of the market is bullish, so we will be looking for buy positions. So if you see the market, okay, has opened with a very low volume, behaving like a typical Monday market, then you can expect the market to take support around 37, 38 area again. So on Friday also we discussed many levels. They did a good job, so we can expect 37, 38 to provide support to the market again if you see a very slow opening. Okay, but if you see that market, okay, is growing below 37, 38, then our next support will be around 30, 31. The dotted blue line here, you can see, okay, we are considering this particular support because market has taken support around 30, 31 previously. Then we have a good support around 2018 3620 3618. The box that you can see here, we are considering again because of a strong price rejection from below previously. Then we have 1213 361213, the dotted line at the bottom, because a strong price rejection from below previously. So these are the three support levels where we can look for a buy. Okay, if you see that market is going or slipping below the current level after the market opening, and if market behaves like a normal Monday market, slow opening, then 37, 38 will give you an opportunity to buy again. So we have four levels, but 37, 38 already market has tested twice, so it is not a very strong level. 30, 31, 12, 13, 20, 18 are the three levels where we can look for a buy position. But keep in mind, okay, no level is permanent. Okay, so do not trade blindly, do not be a gambler, be a trader. And as I said, okay, stay in touch with the news. Also, any news from White House or Middle East will have a direct impact on the chart of gold. And as we have already discussed on Friday also, that for gold to continue the upside, it needs to cross 58, 57, 58 area. And chances of market going above 57, 58 is very less. Let's see how does the market open. I don't think so that right after the market opening, gold will be going above 57, 58. Due to news, okay, if gold starts flying right after the market opening, then we can look for a buy above 57, 58. But as of now, okay, I don't see any point of discussing buying at breakout above 57, 58. If it does also, it will be better to buy at pullback because gold is already trading at a very dangerous level without retracement. Okay, so let's wait for the market to open. Okay, we are expecting a choppy market because of the current market situation. So if market opens like this, then we can expect the market to remain like this only. But yes, at one point there should be some retracement because gold is recording trading at a swing high, which is not very healthy. Okay, and we have four levels: 1213, 2018 and 3031. Okay, these three levels are, they are better levels, good levels to trade. But if market remains very slow, then we can expect our Friday level, okay, 37, 38 to provide support to the market again. If it does, we can look for a buy. How much we can expect? So for every level you can use a stop loss of 50 to 60 pips, and your target should be also 50 to 60 pips only. After 50 to 60 pips means 1:1 is to reward ratio. If you see further potential, you can go for 1:2 or 1:3. Personally, I'm happy with 1:1, 1:2, but that depends. Okay, and if market goes up, personally, okay, at this point I don't see any strong reversal area. Okay, let's wait for the market to open. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.